Good morning, everyone. Today's lead code question is implement queue using stack. Question number is 232. Let's jump to it. So yeah, the question basically says to implement this function and make all these functions functional. This is our class and these are all functions. Make this functional. Here the first thing is we have to declare a stack, then we have to perform all these operations. Okay, so yeah, so let's do it. Yeah, so first off, what do we need to do? We need to declare a stack. Empty, that's going to be an empty list. Yeah, so we are doing this. We declare this is going to be a variable inside a class. We need to declare it like this, otherwise it will not be stored permanently. Okay, yeah, now here we have to implement push. Simply self dot stack dot append. So we are going to push it at the end of the array or at the end of our list. The value is going to be x. Now we need to pop dot stack dot pop. Okay, x. Sorry, you just need to do this. You need to write here 0. Not sure will it work or not. Let's see. Okay, peak. So we just need to return the element that's at the bottom. Okay, so what should we return if the array is empty? Okay, you must use standard operation stack, which means only push to pop to from top. Size and is empty operations are valid depending. Okay, we don't need to worry about that. So yeah, peak, we just need to return the element that is at the bottom of the stacks. That is going to be stack. Okay, stack 0. Okay, we are forgetting one thing. We have to return these elements. Return when we are pushing. What we don't need to return anything when we are pushing. When we are popping, okay, then we have to return peak. We return empty. We have to return if our stack is empty. So return if, sorry. Self dot stack equals to 0. If it is 0, that means it's empty, otherwise it's not empty. Let's try to run it and see if we are getting any errors. No errors for the first test case. Now let's try submitting it. Yeah, oh, we have a successful submission, but it's not very fast. We are in the majorities. Yeah, thank you for watching. Easy question, right?